Look at me. Look at me. Highlighted at the gold. This is gold. Gold.
Take my wig, take my coin. How are you gonna surprise a girl like this? What?
Hello guys. I tried following Patricia Bright makeup tutorial and especially the Fenty Beauty one. So I tried it with my makeup, and if you're interested to watch, please stick around and watch it. It's so mad. I was doing my makeup and then I remember there's this trend going up on YouTube, like doing your makeup like somebody famous or someone you admire. So I've been admiring Jenny Beauty by JJ and Patricia Bright, but because I see Patricia Bright is more my skin shade, I'm gonna try and apply my makeup as Patricia Bright. By the way, I love Patricia Bright and she is goals. I started watching Patricia Bright in the year 2014. Anything Patricia Bright recommends and Beauty by JJ recommends, I go ahead and buy it. So yeah, so I'm an oily face. I have such an oily face. I already applied my moisturizer, and I used Nivea moisturizer. If you are Nivea the all blue can, if you are an old subscriber, you know I use Nivea right now. And yeah, so already I was just doing my makeup and then I remember, oh my god, I saw this trend going around and it just popped to me. I might as well try it. So I already moisturized my face, primer, did that, and now I'm concealing my eyebrow, my underneath, whatever. Yeah, and as I'm doing this makeup, I'm gonna be naming like people who inspire me. So this is concealer. This is black Opal concealer. Like literally I just go out and buy anything these two girls recommend. I also love Patricia Bright, but I'm not her skin tone, that's why I'm doing, but I love her. Also love her sister Kemunto, who I think we look somehow like. And I'm currently recording with my Sony Experia because and my eyebrows, I twist my eyebrows at Clinton's. They had a discount and I said, what the heck, let me do it, because they, you know, your girl love discounts. So this is the reason I always watch, like when Patricia Bright posts a video and Jenny, I always have to watch their video. Like literally Jenny's the one who taught me how to do this makeup. Yeah, like literally I watched Jenny's video. So I'm gonna use every product that I can. I'm just using the application I see them applying with. Like with this concealer, they could be using a beauty blender, but in some reasons all the beauty blenders that are in town, they're from Dubai and they're fake. Like I had this beauty blender once, and when I was washing it, I don't know what I was thinking, I put jig on it because I wanted to be super clean and the thing like evaporated and it became liquid like a beauty blender I bought at Dubious Market. So instead of that, I'm just using a cushion I found in one of my at Ibrahim's. Yeah, this cushiony thing, and it's so brown right now. So instead of like wiping it, I'm dabbing into the skin. And right now the only products I have on my skin are the only products I have on my skin is my, oh my god, it's only 4 minutes. It's my what am I can't even talk. It's my moisturizer powder because I have an oily skin, and then the concealer. And ooh, I've already done my eyebrow. No, I'm all over the place. So I went ahead and built Fenty Beauty because Jenny Beauty by JJ and Patricia Bright had already recommended it, and I saw their channel and I said I must have it. Initially I thought I was shade 450, but it came out shade 440 in Fenty. It matches me perfectly. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this like 2 palms. I'm gonna apply the foundation. Oh my god. And oh my god. I think I don't even need this now. Ooh, baby, I wanna show you. Jamaliza na sijui na kuhusu nini. Unataka nini sasa? Nakwambia unakuanga kama kitoto. Nakutusi. I see that they apply like the foundation from the center and then they go with the extra product outside. A disclaimer out there, in no way am I a makeup artist, but I do adore makeup and I always try to see beauty gurus. Like if you have the best makeup, I see why. I think I applied too much. Samples 340, 220, 150. I'm going to try and contour my face with 220. Like I'm all over the place. I'm contouring my eyes with shade 420. I'm using all the technique I can to blend this makeup off. Well, I think my eyebrows are on flick. What do you think? Let me contour the other one. Then I'm gonna contour with black Opal concealer in beautiful bronze. I'm gonna use this brush to press in. I'm gonna use this. Same black Opal Deluxe finishing powder and set my concealer. I don't want to set it too much. I'm just using what I have. I don't have translucent. Blending is key. I learned this the hard way. So I'm gonna use my big powder brush and blend even more. Everything is okay. It's blendable. Everything is blendable. So now I think it's the contour brush. Yeah, and use the same powder to contour my wait. going to apply liner. So I'm gonna line my lips with a simple eyebrow pencil. Patricia Bright likes like simple, not out there lipstick. I also love that. I'm going to use every lipstick that I have. This brown lipstick from Revlon, and since it's finished, I'm going to use a scooping brush and try and scoop as much as I can and apply it to my lips. Color Stay Revlon lipstick, and I love brown lipstick. I think they look really good on any skin tone, especially dark skin tone like mine. Can never go wrong with brown lipstick. So to make my lipstick pop even more, I'm going to use Clarins Lipgloss Prodigy 05. It's just a simple lip gloss with a shimmer of pink. I'm going to apply up here. This thing smells so nice. Oopsie. Solange, kuja nipatie. Oh, lipstick and see how it works. And then I'm gonna add this Huda sub brown lipstick. I don't want to. Oh, so I finished it. So if you want to see the Fenty beauty review, you're here. I bought it because Patricia recommended it, but apart from that, I love really, and happy birthday to her, by the way. So I have this highlighter, not even gonna show you. It's from Sleek. I bought it, and immediately after I bought this highlighter, can you imagine what it did to me? So this highlighter from Sleek, not even gonna show you the package because right after I bought it, it cracked down. I'm not even gonna show it. Like, it's so embarrassing. I really hope it's not too much. And then I have the Fenty glow. Gold, here we gold. Sing it, gold. And this lipstick ended up looking like Griselda, the Mademoiselle lipstick from Riri. Maybe this can be dupes. And then I'm gonna apply the, what is it called? A highlighter from Sleek that I can't show you because I'm gonna have my earrings, simple earrings, because I'm off to do another video. Yay, life over YouTuber. More like natural sunlight for you to see me, like, look at me.